Good afternoon, everybody. How we doing today? Another lovely day here on the Outer Banks. We're in Corolla. I just got done cleaning this big house. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. We're gonna go check out the beach. I'm actually in the middle of making, I think, the longest video that I've made so far for the channel. But I'm hoping everybody out there is having an amazing day so far. Looks like I got to do some sand climbing here real quick to get here. No. All right. Luckily, I'm well practiced in that. Oh man. I always feel like a king when I come over here to this house and get on this deck. Just a second, gotta get the sand out of my shoes before we go down there and check it out. See, it's a bit of a gray day today. Today is Sunday. Alright. Sand out of the shoes. Man, if I had the luxury, I would absolutely book a house out here in Corolla. Amazing breeze in the fall time. Like I've been showing you guys the past few videos, fall time is definitely, in my opinion, the best time to come out here. Everything's still open, the weather's awesome, less crowds, and we got shells on the ground, guys. All the cool ones have probably already been scooped. Yep, just a beach walk on this one, guys. I don't think you'd be too disappointed about that. .360 just to show you how secluded we are out here. These chairs are set up, but nobody's in them. A little cloudy, but every day is a great day at the beach. Nice and private out this way, guys. But in the same sense, Kill Devil Hills, Kitty Hawk, all that, it's about the same. There's even less people out here, but you know, you ain't trying to spend an arm and a leg to get to Corolla. You could totally Airbnb for a couple days. Lots of people offering that now. That used to not be a thing on the Outer Banks, but now it's a big thing. It's actually the reason I had to move off the beach for a little bit. The house that I was renting for years and years over in South Nags Head, the owner decided to sell it so that they could, and the new owners had plans on turning it into an Airbnb. But it's all good. I'll be back in January. Coming back home to Kill Devil Hills. If everything works out right, of course. That is the plan for now. But regardless, still come out here 5 to 6 days a week. And I've only been moved away for, what we at, about a year and a half. Not even. I think just a year. Yeah, I moved at the end of last summer. I knew it would be temporary, and we already have something set up for when we come back, so just waiting on somebody else's lease to expire, basically. Little birdie's just chilling, cool, calm, and collected out this way today. The whole time I'm talking to you guys, I'm just looking for some like a cool seashell. Crazy how far in the shoreline is today. I'm sure you guys were thinking the same. A lot of sand. Alright guys, this about sums it up. I'm gonna start making my little trek back. Just another cool day here on the OBX. Wishing everybody out there an amazing day. I thank you so much as always for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Got a really long video coming your way, either tomorrow or the next day. I think it's over an hour. A lot of road action. Right guys, have an amazing day. Catch you on the next one.